Assalamualaikum and good morning to Professor Dr. Cemah Tambici and Dr. Zuraina Elias Rena Sharil and the other presenter. My name is Muhammad Wafi bin Awaluddin from HM242CA, and today I will be presenting my industrial training experience at SUS Common Sdn Bhd. This internship was conducted from 8 September 2025 until 4 January 2026 under the course HTF682 Industrial Training. Throughout this training, I was attached to the Technical Product Development (TPD) department, where I was mainly involved in quality assurance, especially related to halal compliance and product quality for both FMCG and lifestyle products. SUS Common Sdn Bhd was incorporated in Malaysia on 25 August 2020 and operates under the SUS Group. The company is involved in the fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG, and lifestyle industry. What makes SUS Commons interesting is that they do not only focus on coffee beverages, but also handle retail sales, import and export of products, and also online sales. This shows that the company operates in a very dynamic and competitive market where product quality and compliance are extremely important. Because of this, the Department of Technical Product Development play a crucial role to ensure every product release is safe, compliant, and trusted by customers. In addition, the CEO of SUS Common Sdn Bhd is Eun Chung Hao. The mission of SUS is to deliver extraordinary coffee moments and inspire the community while ensuring every sip reflects quality and excellence. For their vision, SUS Common is to redefine the coffee experience in Southeast Asia through innovation, passion, and quality. From my observation, this is not just a statement. The company truly emphasizes innovation in products and strict quality control, which I experienced firsthand during my internship. Next, SUS Coffee headquarters is located in Glenmary Shah Alam, Selangor, with two main office locations. Even though I was not directly involved in manufacturing, I could see how the headquarters act as the main coordination center for product development, quality control, and compliance. Most documentation, product approval, and supplier verification are managed here, which shows how important documentation and systematic control are in a growing FMCG company. Next, for organizational chart, I was placed under the Technical Product Development (TPD) team, which worked closely with quality assurance, halal, and product teams. This department acts as a bridge between product ideas and final approved products. Before a product reaches to the customer, it must pass through the quality check, compliance verification, and documentation review, which was where my role came in. Next, for the key task and responsibility, my main responsibility is to focus on halal quality assurance of FMCG products. One of my key tasks was to support halal certification process, including application, renewal, and amendments. This exposed me to how detailed the process halal certification, especially through my e-halal and Jabatan Agama Islam Selangor submission. I also review raw materials, ingredients, documentation, and packaging material to ensure they comply with halal requirements. This requires checking supplier documents such as halal certificates, product specification, and also ingredient declaration. Another important responsibility was helping my supervisor to maintain the halal assurance system has documentation. Also, I learned that halal compliance is not just about ingredients but also about documentation control, traceability, and proper procedure. I also involved in preparing material and present for halal basic awareness training in my department, which improved my understanding and also my confidence in explaining halal concept to the others. Besides FMCG, I was also exposed to lifestyle product quality assurance. I reviewed the product assessment criteria PHC and product specification requirement called PSR to ensure new products met internal quality standard. I also helped in evaluating product samples before approval to the supplier. This taught me that quality is not only about food safety but also includes durability, material safety, and also customer satisfaction. Additionally, I assisted in handling customer complaints where I learned how to identify possible root causes and suggest corrective actions. This helped me to understand the importance of post-market quality monitoring. Next, from this internship, I gained both technical and soft skills. Technically, I developed a better understanding of quality assurance processes, halal compliance, and documentation system like HAS documentation. I also learned how the halal certification process works in real industry settings. For soft skills, I also improved in professional communication, especially through emails and meetings with other departments. Also, I learned how to work with different departments, as well manage time when handling multiple documents and solve problems when dealing with complaints or missing information. Next, for observation and experience, I observed that the working culture in Zeus Commons is very professional and supportive. Also, supervisors were approachable and always gave constructive feedback. I also noticed a strong emphasis on accuracy, compliance, and integrity, especially in quality assurance work. This experience can improve my discipline, documentation skill, and confidence in a professional environment. Next, for suggestions and improvements, based on my experience, I will suggest giving interns more hands-on exposure earlier, especially in real projects. It also will be beneficial to allow interns to join more cross-department discussions to understand decision-making process better. However, the internship program was well structured and the supervisors were very supportive, making it a very valuable learning experience at Zeus Commons Singapore High. Next, these are the example of picture that I do during my internship, which is the first picture. I was preparing documentation for halal application for new product application. Also, documentation itself need to submit to Jabatan Agama Islam Selangor in hard copy, and then I also involved in lab sensory testing for new flavor coffee of shelf life extension flavor of coffee. Also, I give a halal awareness basic training in my department. Also, there is members of my technical product development department, which consists of 15 members until now. Also, that's my lecture site visit to Zeus Commons Number Height with my coordination with my coordinator internship training. So, in conclusion, my industrial training at Zeus Commons Sinan Berhad was a very meaningful experience. I gained practical exposure to quality assurance, halal compliance, and product quality control. So this internship not only strengthened my technical knowledge but also improved my communication, professionalism, and confidence in the workplace. Also, I am truly grateful for the opportunity and believe this experience has prepared me well for my future career. That's all from me, Muhammad Wafi bin Awaluddin. Thank you.